Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share with you the most repeated pair of words for CSS exam. So let's get started. First one is ingenious, ingenious, meaning very clever and skillful. Sentence: Simon was ingenious at finding ways to work more quickly. Ingenious, ingenious, meaning honest, sincere. Sentence: Paul is very ingenious in his job. Second is apposite, apposite, meaning suitable and right for the occasion. Sentence: His speech is opposite according to the need if situation. Opposite, opposite, meaning completely different. Sentence: Ali and Babar are brothers but both have opposite personality. Third is canon, canon, meaning a Christian priest with a special duty in the cathedral. Sentence: He is a canon at London from 3 years. Cannon, cannon, meaning a large mounted piece of artillery. Sentence: County is now making their own cannon. For illusion, illusion, meaning an idea or belief which is not true. Sentence: The story gives the illusion that human can fly. Allusion, allusion, meaning an indirect reference. Sentence: The purpose of the allusion in the story is to make children think about the importance of truth. Counsel, counsel, meaning to give someone advice. Sentence: The accused need the counsel of psychiatrist. Council, council, meaning a group of people elected to make decisions. Sentence: The council to select a suitable player for upcoming tournament consists of 5 members. Conquer, conquer, meaning to take control or possession by force of a foreign land. Sentence: Muhammad bin Qasim conquered Sindh in 712 AD. Conquer, conquer, meaning to agree with someone. Sentence: All the participants concur with the findings of the meeting. Compliment, compliment, meaning a remark that expresses respect. Sentence: I take it as a compliment that you praise my work. Complement, complement, meaning a complete set or entirely. Sentence: His all topics has its complement of the story. Immigrant, immigrant, meaning a person who leaves one country to settle permanently in another. Sentence: US, Germany and Russia had the largest immigrants of any country. Emigrant, emigrant, meaning a person who emigrates. Sentence: My grandfather was an emigrant from India. Eligible, meaning fit to be chosen. Sentence: He was eligible for this position. Illegible, illegible, meaning very difficult or impossible to read. Sentence: It is often illegible to understand the writing of a doctor by a common person. Accident, meaning a happening that is not expected. Sentence: His parents died in a car accident. Incident, meaning something that happens. Sentence: Maria's behavior totally changed after their incident.